Are you just beginning your journey in affiliate marketing, internet marketing, and are wondering what this whole email marketing thing is? Well, I'm going to explain exactly what email marketing is in this video, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so today we're going to be talking about what is email marketing, particularly email marketing for beginners. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I'm into affiliate digital internet marketing, and I'm here to help you guys get to that laptop lifestyle so you can enjoy more freedom in your life. Now, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel for daily videos like this one. And if you like this content, hit that like button for me. And if you have any comments, post them below. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions about today's video, post them below. Also, if you do happen to subscribe, just put a comment down below that you subscribed so I can give you a shout out. Let's get on with today's video. Email marketing. Email marketing is very confusing because it is a very big part of becoming a digital online entrepreneur, right? So this is a necessity. If you're trying to get into affiliate marketing, digital marketing, whatever it is, if you're trying to do digital online entrepreneurship, email marketing is very important. It's going to be one of the most critical pieces of your toolbox, right? So if you don't understand how to email marketing, it's going to be very complicated for you to grow and scale your business. All right. So I'm going to talk about what it is, how to get started, and why it's so important. So I know when I first began my journey in digital marketing, I did not understand what email marketing was at all. I didn't know you could build a huge list and send out auto messages and send out broadcast messages. I always thought people just used their Gmail account, sent emails to lots of people. I did not know anything about an autoresponder or anything like that. I didn't even know what copy meant. So I know there's people out there in the same shoes I was in, and I just want to help that person through their journey so they don't get stuck like I did when I first started. So we're going to talk about what is email marketing. We're going to talk about, how to pick a provider, how to build your list, how to get leads, etc., etc. So let's get on with that content and get this video started. So what you need to do. All right, so first thing you're going to need to do is pick a provider. All right, so I have used several different providers. Currently, I do use GetResponse, and I am also using Mailing Boss, which is part of Builderall Suite. And the reason why I use both is because I already have a pretty big big email list in my GetResponse, and I'm familiar with that platform and I like it. All right, and I do have a Builderall Mailing Boss autoresponder that came with that product that I also am building a list in as well. All right, so you just have to pick a provider. There's Aweber, SendLane, GetResponse, MailChimp, Mailing Boss. There's all these different, there's tons of them out there that can be your provider. All right, so I'll drop a link below to my providers that I use. You can use those. You can pick whichever one you want. It's totally up to you. I know you can start a free account with Builderall and GetResponse. Try them out. If you don't like them, pick somebody else. All right, so that's the first thing we want to do is get a provider. So the next thing we want to do is once we get our provider, we want to learn how to use it. They all have tutorials on how to set them up. And if you can't figure that out, just go to YouTube. I'm sure somebody's showing you how to set up your email sequence or autoresponder campaigns or whatever it is in that product. All right, so the next thing we want to do is we want to start building our list. And how do we build a list if we don't understand how to get the people to our list. All right, so one of the things you can do is you can start a YouTube channel, you can have a blog, you can use social media, you can use Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, LinkedIn, uh, all any social media site to help build your list. All right, so we want to start getting people to give you their email address so you can start building your list, so you can submit, push out products and training to these people in your niche. So it's very important to pick your niche, right? So if you don't, you have to understand what niche you're in. I'm in the affiliate digital internet marketing niche, which is mainly online entrepreneurship with personal development. I'm in that whole ecosystem right there, right? That's my niche. You could be a personal trainer, and if you're in that niche, you're going to be in health and fitness, and you're going to be in the health and fitness niche, right? You're going to be doing blogs about lifting weights or losing weight or gaining weight, whatever it is. You're going to be doing stuff like that. You could be in the pet niche, right? You could be all about dogs or cats, or you could be about uh, the minimalist, whatever it is, the beard guy. You got to pick your niche. Once you pick your niche, you can start figuring out what you're going to use to as a lead magnet to get these leads to your opt-in page to so you can start building your list. All right. So one of the big things we want to do is we get these leads, we create a autoresponder. So when somebody does come in, they give you your email address, they just don't go stale, right? We want to set up an autoresponder. A lot of people think autoresponder is the provider. The provider has an autoresponder as a feature in their platform. So there's a lot of features that these guys have. They have contact CSM lit, so you can sort all your contacts. You can build autoresponders. You can do newsletters, broadcast messages, workflows, all kinds of stuff within these platforms. But an autoresponder is where you build out your email sequence, right? So somebody opts into your funnel or wherever, they give you your email address. As soon as you get it, they start receiving an email every day from you, or every other day, or once a week, however long that is. They start getting emails from you. All right. So you got to start capturing leads. You got to create an autoresponder, and then you got to send out broadcast emails. So when I say broadcast emails, these are emails that you just write one time, you hit send, it'll send it to your list. If you have a list of 1,000 people, you type out the broadcast email, you send it, it sends it to all of them. All right, so where the autoresponder is, you may have 10 different funnels set up, and you may have 10 different email sequences for each one of those funnels, right? So you may be promoting something over here, and you want to send a 7 email sequence for that offer. That then people will get that 7 email sequence, and then they'll get put into like another sequence, maybe like that's more broad, and then the send broadcast will come out every time you send one. So whenever you feel like sending it. So the very next thing we want to do after we understand all that stuff, then you got to be like, how am I going to get people to give me their email address? Well, you got to create a lead magnet. And when I say lead magnet, I'm talking about an ebook, a course, something that you can give that is of value for free to people, so they give you your email address. So you can make an email. You can make an e-course. You can use the Builderall platform to do that. You can use other areas like Teachables to do that. You can create an ebook with Canva. That's what I did. And you can use those products to give away for free for an email address. So they're going to give you your email address. You're going to give them the e-course or the ebook. I'm not going to go into detail about doing these. Maybe I'll set up some other videos to show you how to set up an e-course and an ebook. All right. So what can we do if we have a list of 10,000 subscribers? All right. I'm going to show you the power of a 10,000 subscriber list. And it's going to take you some time to get to 10,000. I'm not quite there yet. I will be there, but I'm going to show you this as an example. You send out one broadcast email with an offer. All right. 250 people out of that 10,000 open it. 10 people buy your offer. The offer was $100. You just made $1,000 bucks. So you could just think of the power of a 10,000 subscriber list. You could write an email. You could be like, you know what? I want to make $1,000 bucks a day. I'm gonna write an email, send out a $100 offer. 10 people buy it. You just made $1,000 bucks. That's how powerful a list that size is. There's people out there with 1 million subscribers on their list, right? You could just think of the power of just one email going out and how much they can make whenever they feel like it. So it's almost money on demand. So one thing I wanted to talk about is how you set up your lead magnet funnel. All right, so this is the basic blueprint of a lead magnet funnel. This is what you're going to want to set up. So this is going to talk about what you're going to be doing to build out this email list, right? So how do I get emails? This is how you're doing it. You're going to send traffic from your Facebook, Twitter, Google, YouTube, wherever. You're going to send the traffic to your free ebook, all right, or e-course or whatever it is. You're going to send them to your ebook. They're going to see a page, a video, or whatever it is describing what your ebook is. They're going to put in an email address and their name, and they're going to click the button. This is going to take them to the page where they can either download the ebook or you send them to send them an email where they can get your ebook. All right, so you could do both, right? You could say here, click here to download your ebook, and it's also being sent to you via email. So that's how you get them to give you your email address. Also, once they hit that download button, they could also be another page in between here that is offering them another product. So within this ebook download, I could have a video right here that's me explaining, hey, thanks for downloading my ebook. And I also have this other product or offer or service on the next page. If you're interested, go over and check it out, right? So I'll explain what that is real quick, minute, 2-minute video, right? So they could click this button, they could say get access, and it would go over to this sales offer, and this would be another offer that would be maybe a $30 offer, something small that'll get them to possibly buy on the front end. If they don't buy, if they do, I make a sale, I get some commission. If they don't buy, either way, they're getting, actually this should have been over here because should have been like that. So as soon as they put in their email, they're getting put in this email sequence, right? So, hey, it's Zeb here, blah, blah, blah. Thanks for downloading my ebook. And this could point to this, another email just giving them some value, another email pointing back to the sales offer, another video with some value, another video with some sales offer. I particularly like the jab, 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 right hook like Gary Vee speaks of. So it's value, 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 promote, value, 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 promote. Kind of like to do that, but you know, you might have situations where you want to just value, promote, value, value, promote. You want to kind of mix it up, right? So maybe not the 3-1 all the time. All right, so this is where the gold is, right? So the money is in the follow-up, and your fault, because not many people will buy on the first offer because they like to call bullshit and they like to research. So by doing this, you keep you in their mind, right? Hey, I'm Zeb. You remember you downloaded an ebook from me. Here is some cool stuff. Here's maybe another offer. Here's some learning. Here's a way to make money for free. You know, you're giving them stuff, so you're building that trust, so they want to like you. All right, so now they know you and trust you and like you, and they're more willing to buy from you. So now when you send them this offer later down the road, they'll be like, hey, that dude's pretty cool. He's been giving me a lot of value. Maybe I'll just buy this product to see what it's like. All right. So that's how this whole ecosystem works. And this is very powerful, guys. And one thing I wanted to do was show you exactly how I do this. All right. So this is an ebook funnel of mine. All right. So there's a link in the description of this if you're interested in this ebook. But, you know, I come up here. You could put your name in there. You could, you know, zeb@gmail.com, get book now, and it's going to bring you to this page. So I'm saying, hey, you're all set. Enjoy your free copy of your ebook. All right, so I just sent this into your email. It's telling you in here, thanks for downloading it, where it went, and if you're interested, there's another video on this page. Click on the link beside me, and so I go over here and I click on this link and it takes me to another offer. All right, so this will be another offer. That is a typical page like this, exactly like this, that I set up. And that's what I use as one of my lead magnets, right? So you can have many of these going all over the place, running on autopilot, giving you money. When you wake up, there's money in your bank. While you're sleeping, whatever. But this is powerful stuff, guys. And I hope you understand email marketing a little better after watching this video. If you have any questions about email marketing, post them below in the comments and I will reply. Again, guys, if you got some value out of this, smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button for daily videos like this and make money from home videos. So, my wish to you is you take massive action. You start an email campaign, you start promoting, and you start putting out content every single day. All right, guys. Again, my channel is all about make money, online entrepreneurship, affiliate digital internet marketing, and helping you get to that journey of a laptop lifestyle so you can enjoy some freedom in your life. All right, guys. So I'll see you again tomorrow. Peace out. I hope you have a great day.